Experiencing Tesco Mobile data problems in Spain? Let's fix it. Often the issue lies with your APN settings or roaming configuration. First, ensure data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. Set APN to mobile data. Leave username and password fields blank. These steps address the most common causes of data connectivity problems while roaming with Tesco Mobile in Spain as of late 2025. This is especially true since Brexit. If your APN and roaming settings are correct, the issue might be coverage. Tesco Mobile relies on O2's roaming agreements with Telefonica in Spain, providing generally good coverage in urban areas, but potentially weaker signals in rural regions. Check Tesco's app for the latest coverage maps. Urban areas like Madrid and Barcelona have near full coverage with up to 1 gigabits of 5G speeds, while rural regions may fall back to 3G or 4G. For ongoing issues, use Tesco's My Tesco app's AI-powered diagnostic tool to automatically check settings and suggest fixes. As a last resort, contact Tesco Mobile support directly for personalized assistance. Since 2025, increased 5G roaming compatibility means faster speeds are available in many areas. Keep your app up to date to ensure you have the latest troubleshooting features. By following these steps, you can resolve most Tesco Mobile data issues in Spain and enjoy reliable connectivity during your travels.